Hello little explorers, welcome to English Learning Club. Today we are going to read together, and you know what we are going to read? We are going to read atwords. Are you ready? So let's roll. Cat. The cat is holding an umbrella. Hat. The girl is wearing a beautiful hat. Bat. The boy is playing with a bat. Rat. The fat rat is coming towards you. Mat. Wow, lovely, beautiful mats. So, do you have a nice mat at your home? Come on, let's revise all the atwords together. Cat. Hat. Bat. Rat. Mat. Come on, I want you to read all these words together. Wonderful. See, now you know all the atwords. Keep revising. Bye.